Hey, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel and hope everyone will doing great and having a good day. The video is really very important and very informative video, so just don't skip the video, watch it till the end. It's very short video. Okay, so what should you need to do if someone tell you that mention me the time in Excel, what's the time right now? So just you can do it. You go to sheet and just press this equal and just press now and enter. The time and date will appear automatically. You can see here that it's 4:06 a.m. at the moment, and it's 11th March and 25, so it's appear automatically. There it is. You can scroll it down 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 as many as you want. And the other informative thing I wanted to mention in this video is that how can you adjust row and column automatically, because it can take much time when you type like that, for example, and it doesn't go with the text. So what should you need to do is just click out the here and click on the format. If you want to adjust the row height, so just put out there and just, for example, I want to adjust the row height, so I want to 25 it. So just you can see the changes occur in the rows. If you want to change the um, columns columns height, so what should you need to do is just click on this and you can just change it, and I want it 40. You can see the changes occur directly. And if you want to whole sheet, so just press Ctrl A and you just go to row and make it 49. All are 49. Same case is here with column. Make it 56. Look at that. Look at that. I hope you people will enjoy the video. So if you enjoy the video, so like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.